Welcome back to my channel Digital Sprout. Today I am going to unbox one LED bulb and it is presented by the company that is Halonix. You can think about why I am telling about a LED bulb, but it is not a actual normal LED bulb. It will inverter LED bulb that is of 12 watt and it will give you the backup of 4 hours when there is a power cut or load shedding. So it is a must have product in each and every house. Actually what is happening, it will give you light of 12 wattage at when there is a electricity. When there is a electricity power out or electricity power cut will be there, then it will give you the backup of 4 hours. So let's get started with this product. So this is the product, Halonix Prime 12 watt LED, and you can also see this is capable of turbocharging inverter LED lamp, and it will give you 4 hours backup with 4 hours of charging. And it is also, you can use this light as night lamp. Now go quickly to the specifications of this light. You can see the technical specification. It is turbo inverter LED 12 watt and lumen is 1100, which is quite good, and CRI index, that is the color rendering index, greater than 80, that means is also good, and the price of the product is 649, but I have got this product at 529 from Flipkart. Now this Halonix lamp already you can see with BMS for battery overcharging protection. So due to any overcharge, there will be no will come in this Halonix Prime 12 watt LED lamp. So now open the product. So this is the actually 12 watt LED bulb, and it contains one user manual. So now check it out, what is written in the user manual here. It is a turbo inverter LED lamp 12 watt, I have told you, but one thing it is written here, it is 2600 milliampere hour battery, and the type of battery is lithium. So you can rely on this Halonix LED lamp because it contains lithium ion battery. Without any maintenances it can be used. Now go to the charging mode. It is written here charging mode. There are two charging modes are here. One is turbo charging mode, what I have told you a few minutes ago, and now normal charging mode. In the turbo charging mode, what will happen, it is written when the power supply is on and the turbo charge, that means you have switched on this bulb, then it will glow as red LED, red 0.5 watt red light, it will glow. It will turbocharge the bulb from 0% to 100% in only 4 hours. When the turbocharged inverter LED light is fully charged, light will turn from red to green. And normal charging mode, what is normal charging mode? You can see when the power supply is on and the turbocharged LED light, you have switched on this light, then it will glow as white light. The charging speed will be normal and shorter than the turbocharging mode. But how do you change this type of two modes? Switch this mode. If switched off, suppose if you want to change the charging mode, then switch off it and then switch on within 3 seconds. Then it changes from charging mode from turbo to normal and normal to turbo, vice versa. Now I will show you just inserting this bulb in the socket, how it behaves. Now I have inserted the bulb in the socket and I will switch on. You can see this is actually operating with electricity and the white light is coming. That means it is not in a turbo charging mode, it is a normal charging mode, and already it is giving light. And the light lumen, I have told you, it is a 1100 lumen, which is quite bright for a average sized room. And now I have told you how to change the mode. Then you have to switch off it and again switch on within 3 seconds. I am doing that. Switch off, switch on. You can see it is now red, it is glowing as red. That means it just enters in the turbocharging mode. It is charging and it will take up to 4 hours to charge. After charging, it will glow as green LED, and this type of two LEDs you can use as a night lamp also. So, and I have told you it contains one 2600 milliampere hour battery, so it will be very good for your room to illuminate at the power cut and load shedding. So after charging full charge, it will glow as green LED. So this is a green LED. You can see it is now showing, that means it has already charged as full. The battery has full charge now. I have given the link in the description below, and you can check it out and buy this product. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.